Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a decently corrected small cap company where Mohnish Pabrai has silently bought 2,21,755 shares over the last quarter. His stake in the company has now risen to 6.55% in the March 2019 quarter from 6.27% in the December 2018 quarter. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will enable you to get notified whenever we post any new videos. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Kolte Patil Developers Limited, which is available at Rs 252.20 and the face value for it is 10. The March 2019 holding for Mohnish Pabrai in this particular company stands at 6.55%. The symbol for it is KOLTEPATIL. Now Kolte Patil Developers Limited is a real estate company. The company has developed and constructed approximately 50 projects including residential complexes, commercial complexes and IT parks covering a saleable area of over 12 million square feet across Pune and Bengaluru. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, this company has been on a consistent downtrend and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. This is also a company where Mohnish Pabrai had bought during the previous quarter as well. The market cap of the company is 1912.05 crores, which means that the company is a small cap one. The EPS of 9.59 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 26.30, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 26.25. The price to book ratio of 2.15 is also on the cheaper side. The company has a dividend yield of 0.79%, whereas the promoter holding for this company is a very strong number and stands at 74.53%. Also, none of the promoters holding for this company is pledged. The company has a total debt of 721 crores on its books. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.